In this video, I want to show you what to do in case the Play Store is crashing and doesn't want to open. So over here, if I tap on it, you see Google Play Store is updating, please wait, but they give me this message for a very long time. And you see right now, yeah, try again, it's not working. What should you do if you're in the same situation? Well, what you need is to simply drag down from the top right corner and you're going to find the power button. Keep press on it and then you may have to click again on power off and another time. At this point, just wait until the screen is completely black and then we're going to power back on the tablet after waiting 5 seconds. Okay, so I'll keep press the power button. The tablet will boot up, it will show the logo. And now let's just speed up until this is completely booted. Okay, let's wait at least 5 to 10 seconds until, the whole thing is back to life. And now if I open the Play Store, it works. So I'll press get started. Here I'll press no thanks. And the Play Store is now back and running. So simply by doing a quick restart, okay, shutting down the tablet, wait 5 seconds, power it back on, it can solve many issues, including the Play Store not booting up. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.